Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the program CamStudio. I'm going to teach you how to use the settings, such as the options, the region, the tools. I'm going to teach you where to set them all. I'm going to teach you how to record, how to make the mouse move with where you go, like it's doing right now. And I'm going to teach you how to download it first. Basically, you're going to go to your web browser, and you're going to want to type in www.camstudio.org, and it should take you to a page. It says CamStudio Open Source, free streaming video software. You're going to want to scroll down. You're going to see a bunch of advertisements like click here to donate to keep CamStudio alive and ad-free. What is it? Stuff like that. Don't like the sound of your voice? No problem. There's going to be stuff like that. Then you're going to reach, so where can I get it and how much does it cost? This is where you're going to go. You're going to scroll down till you see download links. You're going to see three things. Old tutorials only show the old version where there's only two. This one has a new link. You're going to have lossless codec. You're going to have support forum, and then you're going to have the CamStudio. For the download, you're going to want to click the one that says CamStudio20.exe next to CamStudio. That's the link you're going to want to click. You're just going to go through the downloading process, agreeing to the terms and conditions, stuff like that, until it's downloaded. It's totally free. That's basically all you need to do. Then, now how to work CamStudio. When you get it downloaded and opened up, you're going to see a frame like this. First, file. That's just your simple record, stop, pause, exit. Easy enough. Now you have region. If you're doing a tutorial, fixed region is best. If you're showing a specific something, just like an area, you're going to want to do a region, and it lets you drag it yourself. Or full screen is just for the entire web page. I use fixed region, obviously, because I'm using a tutorial. You're going to want to ignore the select key. You're not going to want to click this. I think this is default when you get it, but basically you're going to want to keep it at 320 by 240. That is very good for tutorials. It's a decent size because it's zoomed in fairly well, but not too much to where you can't see what's going on. It's good zoom. It's very important to click this, drag corners to pan. This is important. You need to have this checked. Next, you have your options. There's a lot to cover in the options category. You're going to start with video options. You're going to want to keep it at Microsoft Video 1. These are other things you can do. I didn't download any extras, but Microsoft Video 1 is good. You don't need anything else. About is nothing. And you want to hit configure, and you're going to want to make the temporal quality ratio to 1. I think it's default at 60. You're going to want to bring it up to 1. You want your quality, oops, that's supposed to be at 60. You want your quality to be at 60. It's decent quality. It doesn't lag, but it's good quality. Then you're going to come down to set keyframes every 30 frames. The frame rates, you're going to want to capture frames every 50 milliseconds, and playback rate 20 frames per second. This is very important also. You need this to have a successful video. You're going to have to unclick this auto adjust in order to set these yourself. You're going to have to unclick auto adjust. You're going to want to bring your max frame rate down all the way to the left. And that's basically all you need in the video options. Cursor options is basically just for your personal thing. You can hide the cursor, or you can show the cursor. You can use custom cursors that you have, or cursors from a file. That's just you. You can highlight it if you want. You can choose like ellipse, square, rectangle. They look like this. You can change the color, size. See, I don't mess with that. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm using do not record audio. I'm recording straight from my camera because I do not have a microphone. Most people have a microphone and they would click this. Record audio from speakers is basically if you're playing a game on the internet and you're recording it and you want them to hear the game sounds, then it records what your speakers are playing. Or if you're doing a music video or something like that and you want it to come from your speakers, that's what you would do. That's how you do that. And then if you click this one, you're going to do what I'm doing right now and record straight from your camera. The audio options, that's if you use microphones and things like that. I'm not going to mess with that. There's some other tutorials out there on YouTube that have stuff on that because they actually use them. This is very important that it's checked. All you do is click on it to check it and uncheck it. This is enable auto pan. Enable auto pan. Basically, this is what allows the cursor or the screen to move with my cursor. If you don't have that checked, your video will stay stationary and you will only be able to record one region. So it's very important that that is checked, and your speed should be around 60 to 70 is a good speed. Sorry, it's a good speed because it's not too slow, not too fast. Next option, these are just different default options that you don't really need to mess with. They come just like they should be. And your keyboard shortcuts are totally up to you. You can make it Control-Alt-Shift, just that. You can make it Tab, Space, Enter, and Delete, etc. Anything on the number pad, any number, any letter, anything on the F row. I just do it nice and simple. Control-Shift-Alt, Alt-Shift, Control-Alt-Shift, and oops, I don't even have anything for this. Let's make it Enter. Okay. That's it for the options. In the tools, obviously you have screen annotations and video annotations. That's just if you wanted to annotate your video. The view doesn't really matter. That's just your personal choice. This is normal view. If you click compact view, it'll shorten it to where it only shows this. And then if you do buttons view, it'll only show the buttons. This is also what that does. This is just a shorter way. I like the normal view. And then help is just for, takes you to the website, FAQ, donations, about, and help. These are just your basic record, pause, and stop. I already showed you what that does. This is just screen annotations, shortcut to the screen annotations, and this allows you to record AVI or Flash version of your video. This is my tutorial on the CamStudio program. I hope you guys enjoyed, and rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you.